Imagine walking through a crowded city street while shouting your private conversations for everyone to hear. That's what browsing the internet without protection looks like. Every click, search, or login can be tracked, intercepted, or even stolen. But what if you could slip on an invisibility cloak, making your online moves private and secure? That's exactly what a VPN does. A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a tool that creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of sending your data in plain sight, it hides it, making it almost impossible for hackers, advertisers, or even your internet provider to spy on you. Think of it as putting your digital life inside a locked box before sending it out into the world. Here's how it works. Normally, when you connect to a website, your device talks directly to that site, sharing your IP address and location. With a VPN, your traffic is rerouted through a secure server somewhere else in the world. Suddenly, it looks like you're browsing from New York, Paris, or Tokyo, even if you're sitting in your living room. This not only protects your identity but also gives you access to content that might be restricted in your region. But why does this matter for you? Let's make it practical. If you're using public Wi-Fi at a cafe, anyone with the right tools could steal your passwords or banking information. A VPN shields you. If you're frustrated because your favorite show isn't available in your country, a VPN opens the door. And if you simply value your privacy and don't want your browsing history sold to advertisers, a VPN makes sure your data stays yours. Some people think VPNs are only for tech experts, but the truth is they're beginner-friendly. Most modern VPN apps can be installed in minutes, and with one click you're protected. No complicated setups, no coding, just peace of mind. Of course, not all VPNs are created equal. Free versions might sell your data or limit your speed. Paid options usually offer stronger encryption, faster servers, and better privacy policies. The key is to choose wisely and prioritize trust. In a world where data is the new gold, protecting yourself isn't optional, it's essential. A VPN gives you control, freedom, and security in a digital landscape that often feels exposed. So here's the question for you. Now that you know what a VPN is and why it matters, do you think you'll start using one for your daily browsing? Share your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear your perspective.